But yeah, I think that it's a fantastic product. It there's no way that you can learn or even use, I don't think, every bit of it, in any kind of a short time. So I appreciate, the work that, like the AV WAP, the Anchor VWAPs, things that I've been introduced to. Seems very intriguing. The work that you guys have done on that is fantastic. Um, so yeah, keep it up and keep tinkering with it. I know you're going to find something else that's really great.
Yeah, and that's we're always building, and we love that. So listen, I wanna leave with closing thoughts. Do you have any I know you're gonna be kind of talking to your competition because I hope you're joining us for future contests, but do you have any thoughts for anyone who's watching this and they want to join another contest, or maybe they joined the last one and they didn't do too well? Any bits of nuggets that came out to say, hey, this is what you might want to look at if you're going to enter another contest, and if you're going to try this, for again, people who tried and maybe didn't do so well, or people who are just hearing about this for the first time and they're going to try a new contest.
Yeah, I mean, I definitely encourage and recommend everyone to continue to try to the more practice that you get interacting and engaging with the software, the better. And that was I had a learning curve. I still have a learning curve using the trading simulator, using the scans and how to do the alerts and setting everything up to the way I want it to be. And the competition gave me a great opportunity to, stumble over my mistakes. I would push the wrong buttons or couldn't figure out how to change this to that. And as I was going through the contest, by the end, it was coming more naturally. So if anyone struggles with too many options, too many buttons, too many features, then just focus on start out and narrow focus, you know, concentrate on, one or two things, get good at that, become an expert at few and get good at the rest. And yeah, just practice, practice,